Join me as I dive into the challenge of finding the absolute best retirement plan for Gen Z. Let's see if I can crack the code. Retirement planning is one of those things that feels super far away when you're in your 20s. I mean, Gen Z is just starting to get into the workforce, and the idea of saving for retirement seems like something for our parents or grandparents. But here's the thing, it's never too early to start thinking about it. The sooner you begin saving, the more time your money has to grow. One of the biggest misconceptions Gen Z has about retirement is that it's something they can worry about later. We're dealing with student debt, rising living costs, and a job market that's more competitive than ever. It's hard to think about retirement when you're trying to pay off your student loans or save up for a down payment on a house. But ignoring it can have serious consequences. For example, if you start saving $100 a month at age 25, you'll have around $100,000 by the time you're 65, assuming a 5% annual return. That's a pretty decent chunk of change. Another challenge Gen Z faces is the sheer number of options available. From 401s to IRAs, and from robo-advisors to traditional financial advisors, it's easy to feel overwhelmed. And let's not forget about the myths surrounding retirement savings. Some people think you need to be a financial expert to get started, or that you need to have a lot of money to invest. But that's just not true. You can start small and still make a big impact over time. So, what are the best retirement plans for Gen Z? Let's take a look at a few options. A 401 is a great place to start, especially if your employer offers matching contributions. You can also consider an IRA, which gives you more control over your investments. And then there are newer platforms like Robinhood or Acorns that make it easy to start investing small amounts of money. The power of compound interest is a game changer when it comes to retirement savings. It's like a snowball rolling down a hill, gaining speed and size as it goes. If you start saving early, you can take advantage of compound interest and watch your money grow over time. For example, if you save $5,000 a year from age 25 to 65, you'll have around $1.1 million, assuming a 7% annual return. That's a pretty amazing return on investment. To make the most of compound interest, it's essential to start early and be consistent. Even small, regular investments can add up over time. And don't worry if you can't invest a lot at first, the key is to get started and make it a habit. In conclusion, finding the best retirement plan for Gen Z is all about taking control of your financial future. By understanding the challenges and options available, you can make informed decisions that will set you up for success. So, don't wait, start thinking about retirement today. If you've got thoughts on retirement planning or questions about getting started, I'd love to hear from you in the comments. And if you're interested in learning more about personal finance, be sure to check out my related videos. Thanks for watching.